What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Mike Dyack. I'm a master plumber and HVAC contractor licensed in the states of Florida, South Carolina, and New York. We have a family in need for the holiday season. They don't have dependable, reliable, most importantly, functional heat in their home behind me. Someone had the bright idea of installing an electric boiler. You heard that right, an electric boiler to replace an oil-fired boiler. The electric bill is close to $7,000 a month now, and it's not even winter yet. With a generous donation from the folks over at ACIQ, you know, the manufacturers of the Mikey Pipes private label heat pump systems, we're going to be modernizing this home with ultra-efficient heat pump technology. Today we're going to be decommissioning the outdoor unit, mounting the new outdoor unit, and coming back Christmas Eve to give this family the ultimate Christmas gift. Let's go. So they currently have this Nordine, it's probably a Gibson central AC system, 3.5 ton, 42,000 BTUs. We're going to pump down the refrigerant from the line set, the evaporator, into the condensing coil. We're going to disconnect this unit. We're going to mount the new unit on the wall right here and get them up and running. I have my JB Just Better climate class probes on my suction and discharge lines. We're going to hopefully push down on that contactor, and then we'll start closing the liquid line, and once the pressure drops, we'll close the suction line off. Alright, using my little mini cutter on the 7/8 line here. 3/8 is already disconnected, and what I'm noticing is that we're getting oil residue dripping out of the 3/8. So when we do the install, before we connect anything, we're going to flush that oil out of the system. The system uses R22 Freon refrigerant, different oil than the R454B refrigerant, that A2L refrigerant that we're installing on the new equipment. There we go. Let's disconnect power and the low voltage connection and get showing the road. I got the line voltage disconnected, working on the low voltage wiring, and what we don't have here, surprisingly, is that how do you install central air conditioning equipment and not have wire nuts? Right? What happened to the wire nuts, buddy? Crazy. How do you install AC equipment and not have wire nuts in your truck? Do they have a vacuum pump in their truck too? What do you think? Probably not. So we getting rid of the old unit. All right. And the car pulls up behind us. Like, don't realize that we're
looking at her the whole time. She knows we better.
I know, right? And she's sitting there. I don't know. Do we want to carry it in, or do you want to whatever? Okay. By the way, folks, if you're an HVAC contractor, step up to your A game, offer private label equipment, and the folks over at ACIQ can make it happen. And they're an amazing company as well, with phenomenal tech support. All right, we got our wall mount bracket. Why so high? Go down, 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 down more. Okay. You want the wire behind it? Okay. Go a little bit more to the right, the left of me, sorry. A little bit, yeah. Go up one. Come a little this way. All right. Unit is on the wall. Not too shabby. Thank God it's not a 5 ton, because this wall Very, very suspect. It's like drilling through butter. I don't trust it. All right, folks, we've been here for about an hour. The unit electrically is connected, both my line voltage and my communication wire. We're going to do a fully communicating system here using the ACIQ Wi-Fi thermostat. Looking really, really nice. Before we leave, let's identify, baby. Let's identify. Everyone will always know who installed this. This is a raised dome sticker. When you become an ACIQ dealer with an exclusive contract, with a commitment, and you fulfill that commitment, they offer free design services. And they'll send you some stickers so you can private label your equipment. And you gotta admit that that is awesome.